guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of getting ready for Rakhi, and today is actually Rakhi, so happy Rakhi everyone. And we are just about to make our Indian sweet, and we thought we'd show you guys the recipe.
So we're going to make the besan the barfi. So let's make it.
So let's do it.
We'll show you the ingredients first. So for this recipe you need besan, chickpea flour, cardamom seeds, jaggery, gur, some crushed nuts which I have almonds and pistachios, yes, and some semolina, suji, and some milk powder. Very quick to make, and obviously we need desi ghee. So we're going to roast the besan first. Without any ghee first, and we will add the ghee later.
And the stove is on, obviously.
Yes, it's on. So we have to wait until it's not quite brown, but we will know it's half cooked, and then we will add the ghee.
So if you can't already tell, the color has changed a bit.
So this is the time to add the ghee. So let's add ghee. So I've just added the desi ghee. This is how the consistency should look like. Now I'm going to add the half cup of semolina. So this will be all cooked together. Now we just have to wait until these two things are cooked properly.
Mixing so it doesn't burn.
So that's the color we're looking for. This looks ready now. Now we need to add milk powder.
And it smells so good.
Milk powder is optional, but I like to add milk powder so it gives nice consistency, as you can see. So after you add the milk powder, this is how it should look. Thick. Keep pressing it so we evenly distribute the powder into the cooked besan. As you can see, it's all mixed together. Now we're going to add, I think this is going to be too much, so I'm just going to add about this much. So I used more than half jaggery, and this time we have to press this together so it's evenly spread. And also add the lychee powder, cardamom powder, so we get the nice flavors. So after you mix everything together, after you add the jaggery, you don't need to cook. Turn off the stove and just mix it well. And now we're gonna add our nuts. And our besan is ready to be rolled or to be cut in square pieces. So that's it. Quick and easy recipe.
So it is almost done and I can't wait to try it. And I just saw Mum sneakily take some.
I just tried the sugar and it's perfect. It looks so delicious. I can't wait.
I could smell it from the other side of the room.
Now we're gonna wait for this to cool down and then we can start rolling.
That's the best part.
Alright.
Well, actually eating is the best part.
Yes, that will be after. Alright, let's do that.
So let's let it cool down. So we just put it off of the stove and put it onto our bench, and now it is time to mold. So we're going to make it into circles, not squares.
So this is laddu.
Yeah.
That size is good, Kasha?
Yeah, it's a good eating size.
Okay, kids can also eat.
So I'm going to put down the camera and start helping my mum. And make sure it's not too cold when you do it, because otherwise it will just break apart.
Yeah, not stick together.
Yeah.
So it should be nice and warm.
Yeah,
like
you don't want it
warm.
too hot or too cold. You just need it warm.
And if it doesn't stick, you can also use a bit of water and then kind of roll them.
Yeah, so that it doesn't crack.
Beautiful laddu.
So I'm
Look at
gonna start to help my mum, and we'll come back when
They
they're
look so nice.
all done. I can't wait to eat it. So we finally finished molding them, and they look so delicious. I can't wait to try them. and they're probably all going to be gone today because it's going to be so yummy.
They look so delicious and they look so good.
They
It
look
was so easy
so
to make,
cute.
isn't it?
Yeah, they were really easy and it didn't even take that long.
Kaisha also learned how to make laddu now.
Yep.
I hope you enjoy your rakhi, and now we're gonna celebrate our rakhi.
Yes, and we'll show you a bit of what we do.
We're gonna dress up now. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.